In this video, we will see how to merge two or more PDFs into single file using merge PDFs activity from UiPath Document Understanding package, and the compatibility will be cross-platform. So let's open UiPath Studio. So taking an assignment statement. So we need two assignments. I'm taking two assignments. So here are my PDFs. So invoice and form. So these two are my PDFs, and then I need a merge of these two into a different file. So creating a variable for first file path 1 and path 2. Copying the path. So here I'm directly hard coding the values. If you want, you can make it dynamic. You can use get files from the folder, and then you can make it dynamic. So to show the activity, I'm hard coding the path. This will be my invoice path. It will be my form path. These were string variables. So now we have the activity called merge PDFs from document understanding package. Taking this. So this also takes iResource paths. So as I said in the previous video, so we can't directly convert the string to iResource. So for that we need to use path exists activity. File path 1, and then this will convert. It will check if it is exist or not. From that we'll get the reference, and then we are storing that reference in iResource file path. So here we need to convert two file paths into iResource. So instead of using separate variables for iResource, for example, here I just have two paths. If you need to convert, or if you need to merge more than two PDFs, then we can't keep on using uh, separate variables for each file. For that, what I'm doing is I'm going to create a collection. So collection of these iResources, and then you can give all of them to merge PDFs to merge it at once. So we need to create a list with this. We need to create a list of these local resource variables, and then we can add all these file paths to that list. So for that, creating a list, file collection, then this would be a list, and here I'm keeping this. So this will be the list of iResource file paths. So initially it will be null. So we can't add an item to an empty collection. So we need to initialize that. So for that, just initializing this list of it would be about resource handling dot my local resource. So this will be the initialization. Clicking on OK. So now we created a file collection variable, and then we initialized it. So now we add all the PDFs that we want to merge to that list. So this will be the first path, and then we'll add that to the collection. We have append collection for that. Append items to collection, and give the collection name here, file collection. And then here you can give the iResource variable. So we can use the same iResource file path again. Using same path exists again here. Here, this time I'm going to pass file path 2. This will again, so the previous resource file path will be replaced with the current one. And then that we're going to append as second item. We don't have to change anything here. So now at this time, we'll have the collection with iResource variable of these two file paths. So we just have to give the file collection of 0, then on more entry collection of 1. So these two are the this will be the first file path. This will be the second file path. So I'm going to merge these two. So I don't want to existing. I don't want to merge anything to existing one. So I need a separate file, right? So for that, we need to give the file path here. Just using the same file path, and I'll change the name. Here I want to name it as merged PDF. So I'm running. Let's open the folder. You see there is a file created, and this will be a merge of invoice and then the form. So this was the merge of these two.